Good morning. I think today we're gonna get some coffee and then just get back to work on the boat.
It's been a long process. Talked to some other people and they say it's always a long process when you're cleaning out the boat. Don't feel too bad about that. I am currently wearing the previous owner's boxers. They're like really cool little boxer pant short things. They're really cool. I like them. It's gonna be a hot one today. That's for sure. See.
All right, everyone. It's been about a week of cleaning the boat, and it's not that fun of a process, but it is just a necessary step we need to do. So here's a little recap.
Wrong size, so it's 1 o'clock. Where have you been? Yeah. All right, come aboard. Let's get some work done.
Okay.
We are still cleaning out the boat. This is taking way longer than Micaiah and I thought it would.
But talking to other couples that have been doing this whole process, they say that's normal.
So we see the light at the end of the tunnel, and then from here we're moving to the outside. There's a few lockers that need to be cleaned out, and then we'll start just cleaning the boat and tackling the actual things that need to get done in order to make the boat more seaworthy. It's pretty well set right now, but there's a few things that we know we need to take care of.